So once you have your power hooked up, either AC or DC, take your temperature probe, plug your temperature probe in, hold the power button for 2 seconds. Unit powers up. Make sure it's in auto. If it's not in auto, turn it to auto. That'll let it automatically sense temperature. Hit your power button again, one more time. That gets it evacuating all the fluid, so all your fan is running now. And then hit your heat. Heat mode will come on. It'll go through a fire upset. It usually takes about 2 minutes, and it will start producing heat. And then it will automatically ramp up the fan, and it will take off and maintain whatever temperature you set it to. So on the plus and minus, you can set your temperature up to a maximum of 30 degrees. So it's going through a startup circuit right now. Usually takes a couple minutes. This is your battery voltage, whether you're using a battery or not, even if you're plugged into AC, because it's going through a transformer.
So then this thermostat, I guess we just stretch it out and run it wherever you want.
Yeah,
in the trailer.
you stick it wherever you want in the trailer.
Roof, floor, coldest point, wherever.
Right.
Cool.
So this is your ambient temperature, and this is your temperature you set it at.
Okay.
Hear the pump kick in.
Yep.
It'll start producing heat here right away. There is an exhaust in the back here. So this exhaust, you're going to want to discharge through a pipe, which is also supplied outside of the trailer. So you want to put a hole in either the wall or the floor and just pipe it out. If you want it to sound really cool, you can take them off for office. It sounds like a jet turbine.
Excellent.
There it goes. Turn it on now. $16,000 BTUs, 5 kilowatt worth of heat.
That's enough for a 26-foot approach trailer.
If not more, yeah, that's a lot of heat. Here it comes.
Check under my cart by the, my cart by the, by that building.
And as it senses your temperature, it'll automatically ramp itself down. Ramp down, it'll just maintain. So always maintain whatever temperature you set. Then to shut it off, just take the button, hold it for 2 seconds. It'll start flashing here, which means it's going into a cool down mode. It'll automatically cool itself down, evac any exhaust over the back end, and it'll wind itself down.
Now they come with a ductwork for discharge?
Yeah, absolutely. Comes with a duct kit, exhaust kit, and there's also two different diffusers, so you can either use the this one goes straight on, so you can put it, or you can use a diffuser.
Okay.